This is a beginner's guide to how to operate a DJI Mavic Air drone. First, if you haven't done so, you need to download the DJI Go 4 app, not to be confused with the DJI Go, which is for the DJI Osmo gimbal. So after you downloaded the DJI Go 4 app, make sure that you already have an account and update it to the latest version. Then, to make the drone ready for flight, you need to open the wings by pushing the back rotor first down, then the front rotor pull to the front, and then the other back rotor down and the front rotor to the front. And then make sure to take off the camera protection, because with that on the camera won't work and it might get damaged. So before you switch on the drone, take it off, and then flip the landing gear to the top, and to switch on the drone, press once and then another time for 2 seconds until it goes on. And when it goes on, you see the camera goes up and down to calibrate the gimbal, I believe. And then on the controller, open the phone holder and take out the joysticks and screw them on the controller. Then turn on the controller by pressing the power on once and then another time for 2 seconds, and then switch on your phone with the DJI Go app and then attach it to the controller by making sure the lightning connector goes into the phone's port, and close the phone holder until it's comfortably hugging the phone. And remember to put up the antenna, and you can also turn it to face upwards. And as you see, the antenna don't really look like they are in the correct position, but they are. The only reason why they are designed like that is so when you put them down, they fit exactly on top of each other. But when you open them, they will look a bit different because of the design. You might think that they have to match, but they don't have to match. They just look different. But I believe this is the correct way how to pull up the antenna. And once you switched all 3 devices on, you might see that there's a new firmware update available or restriction zones, and you can tap on that to update. This firmware update is 122 megabytes. I will download now. So make sure that you have a fast internet connection, especially when you are launching the drone for the first time. And once the update is complete, just press OK, and then you can click on go to update for the updating the database, and then tap OK. And if you are ready to fly, you just press go fly, and then the screen with the status will display. If everything is normal, it will say it here. And the rolling wheel on the top here is to move the camera down and up. So left is down and right is up. And the buttons here is for the video camera and here is for the photo camera. However, I found it more responsive if you tap the camera button on the phone screen itself, and to switch camera you just tap on this icon over here. It seems to be more responsive than the physical buttons on the top here. And this button is to return to home, I believe, or to land the drone automatically. Just make sure it's on a flat surface, because if you lift off the drone from a surface that's not flat, the camera will record a slightly sloped landscape, so the picture won't be straight. As you can see in this example, I think the picture is not really straight. I don't know if it's just a perspective or it's the actual camera which isn't straight. Also, if you want to fly more than 20 minutes, I suggest you get an extra battery, or even better, if you can, get the combo version, which is the same like the normal Mavic Air, except they will include 2 extra batteries, but for only slightly higher price. So you will have a total of 3 drone batteries for the Mavic Air instead of 1, which will only last you about 20 minutes.